Hey guys, Joanne here with Newegg TV. I'm here to do an overview on this TT eSports Poseidon gaming keyboard with Cherry MX Brown switches, and this keyboard has been aptly named since Poseidon is the god of the sea and it lights up in a deep sea blue. Here is everything that comes in the box. First up, let's take a look at the documentation. What do we have here? A warranty guide, as well as a user guide, of course. Multi-language as well, quick start guide. And here is the keyboard itself. So it comes with this rubberized cable, and it measures about 1.8 meters or 5.9 feet. USB 2.0 connection, and with USB you get 6 to 8 key rollover. That means if you press those certain number of keys, then it won't conflict with each other as it does register every stroke. Now onto the keyboard itself. As you can tell, it is a standard QWERTY keyboard with a full number pad, and these do come with Cherry MX Brown switches. So I'm going to go ahead and remove a keycap with this tool, but this tool is not provided. Here's the Cherry MX Brown switch beneath it and an LED on top. Every single key on this keyboard has an LED, so it is individually backlit. Very awesome. Now a little bit about Cherry MX Brown switches is that you feel that tactile bump, but it's non-clicky, so you won't hear too much noise unless you bottom out. That's something to know if you are curious. And also with the function key and F11, F12, you can go ahead and increase or decrease the illumination. You get 4 levels, which I will show you after I plug this in. Also with the function key, you get your multimedia keys and volume control. And this key over here to the upper right corner, you push it in, you'll disable Windows, which can be very useful if you're in game, and bring it back. Also, I would like to go over the dimensions. So this keyboard measures 440 millimeters long or 7.3 inches, 133 millimeters wide or 5.2 inches, and it is 37 millimeters thick or 1.4 inches. Of course, got to go over the back of the keyboard. You get these, I believe, 5 rubberized feet here, so it'll keep your keyboard in place when you are using it, so it does not shift all over the place. And of course, feet to angle your keyboard if that is what you are going for. That's about the height it goes. And that covers up for this part of the keyboard, so let's go ahead and look at the LEDs. Oh, there is one more thing. They have included some grooves here, so you can go ahead and tuck your cables away, keep it cleaner. So here's a demo of how this keyboard lights up. It's actually quite bright, even on the lowest setting, which is great, but here we go. So function F12, 1, 2, 3, and 4 at its brightest, and of course, it goes off as well if you are not into keyboard lighting. Now, just a little bit more about Poseidon, if you're curious, is that he is one of the 12 Olympian gods and the brother of Zeus and Hades and son of Kronos and Rhea. That wraps up our overview on this TT eSports Poseidon gaming keyboard. I'm Joanne, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our Newegg YouTube channel as well as our other YouTube channels. Thanks for watching Newegg TV, and we'll see you next time.